Sa gitna ng tensyon sa Black Sea at drone strike sa ilang barko rito, kinumpirma ng Department of Migrant Workers o DMW na 2 tripulanting Pinoy ang nasawi.
Yung isa, mga July 6 or 7 nangyari, no? So we have identified our dear seafarer and we have communicated with the family of the seafarer and are arranging for his repatriation and of course the assistance by the DMWO to the family. Yung second, we are still in the process of reaching out to the family of the seafarer, but rest assured within the day we shall have communicated with the family as well as will provide assistance to the family.
12 Pilipino naman ang sugatan, 8 pa ang ginagamot habang 4 ang naiuwi na ng Pilipinas. Kabilang sila sa 139 na mga Pilipinong nasa 9 na barkong inatake ng drone strike sa Black Sea, partikular sa hilagang bahagi nito na nasa dulo ng Ukraine. 89% sa mga Pilipinong ito ay nasa maayos ng kalagayan. Naglabas na rin ng advisory ang DMW na nagpapaalala sa karapatan ng mga tripulanteng Pinoy sa mga lugar na merong warlike situation tulad ng sa Black Sea.
Divert all voyages if and when there is a continued voyage to these high-risk warlike areas to ensure that the seafarers are granted prior to voyage the right to refuse sailing. No discrimination on any seafarer.
Sinisilip na rin daw ng DMW ang posibleng pananagutan ng mga ship owner.